What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Gadget Beer. Today we have a accessory review and unboxing for the Honor 7X. Now today we have a screen protector because we definitely need a screen protector. Now I know you might be asking, well, this is the $200 phone. Well, even though it's a $200 phone, we still want to protect our investments. It is still $200. But the reason why I got a screen protector is because I do have scratches on my screen. I've been using the original case that came with the phone, and it does have added lip protection, but in my pockets, I don't know if you can tell, there are some scratches there along the side and some on the bottom, so I decided to get a screen protector. Now I picked this one up on Amazon. I'll leave the link below. This is a ORZERO case. I think it ranged somewhere around $7 to $10. So you do get two of them, so that is a added bonus. Two cases. I mean, two screen protectors. Now this screen protector does have the adhesive around the edge, and I believe it does have that dot matrix effect. I can't really tell, but I believe it does. You can barely see it. It's not that noticeable, so that is a good thing. So along with that, you get all the necessities here, your wet naps and your stickers to remove any dust and anything like that. So first off, I'm gonna see if I can just put this on with the case being on there, and I can. Okay, awesome. So if you notice, you have this square cutout there. Now it's not a cutout in the glass, it's just a cutout in the black part of the screen protector there, and that's just so you can see your Honor logo. So it's pretty good. It makes it easier to align as well, so if you're off to the side, kind of center that on the square, and you should be fine with aligning your screen protector. So let's get this applied. So there we have it applied. Let me clean this up, remove any fingerprints from me. And it went on pretty well, pretty easy. You do have some creaking here at the bottom, and I believe it's because there's no adhesive here in the middle for the, you can hear the creaking there. So if that's gonna annoy you, don't get this screen protector, but it doesn't annoy me, so I'd rather have my screen protected than get it full with all kinds of scratches. So there you have it. Let's see how touch sensitivity is all there, very responsive. So it's working pretty good. Let's do a type test real quick. Welcome to Gadget Beard. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe if yet. So types pretty well, very responsive, as you can tell. Clarity pretty good, not too bad. I don't see any rainbow effect on the case itself, not on the case, on the screen protector, on the screen itself. Probably because this part here doesn't sit directly flat. Oh, you do see some rainbow effect there, but it's kind of hard to see it. Now I wanted to show you the screen protector without the case, and it almost goes edge to edge, as you can see if we can make out there. There you go, that's a better view there. So almost to the edge, as you can see there. Beautiful. It's a very beautiful device. So there you have it. Just want to show you a quick update. Case just wraps around like that, and very case friendly, at least with the case that came with the Honor. If you're interested, hit the link below, click it and purchase it. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe if you haven't. Stay tuned for more coverage on the Honor 7. I have been using this phone for about 2 weeks as my daily driver, and I've been very pleased with it. So my thoughts and review on this phone is coming, and it is coming soon. So thanks, guys. Leave a comment below, like, share, and subscribe, and like always, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.